Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I do have my Target beauty box that came in the mail. I said it was supposed to come in the mail today, so I thought I wasn't going to be able to post the video until tomorrow, which would be Wednesday, but it did actually come yesterday, Monday, while I was at work. So I can go ahead and get this out for you guys. Sorry I look a little bit of a mess. I say that every video, I swear, but I'm trying to do this before I go to work because I won't have time when I get home, and then tomorrow is going to be a busy day as well, so just bear with me, guys. We'll get there. So there was two options for the Target Beauty Box this month. Both were $7. One was like a much more all-natural, and then one was just like some kind of different items. I just got the regular different items one. The more all-natural one, like I just felt like there was a lot of things in there, like shampoos and deodorants that I've already gotten a lot of, either through my own purchasing or through subscription boxes that I already have. So I wanted to go with something that was gonna give me some different items. So the box is really good quality. I really love this. I did take the plastic off, but I haven't opened it up yet. So when you open it up, let's see if I can do this without spilling. It looks like this. It's got the nice little card that says, April showers bring May flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here are the rainy day products you need, which are sure to help you weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, try the full size versions. And then on the back, it always gives like a little rundown of all the items, and then there is a coupon code, and this time, for the first time, it says use the Target app to get this deal, which is really awesome because I always forget these at my house, and then I go and buy stuff, and then I'm like, dang it, I had a Target coupon. Because I like live at Target. It's my happy place. Also, I apologize if the lighting is going in and out. My bedroom lighting is terrible, and the window in front of me is very bright, even though there's like this much window. So it's kind of like, I have no face, I have a face. Voldemort's kid person. So anyways, under that little card, this month has a nice like orangey bright little wrapping paper. You open it up, and inside looks like this. So I'm just going to kind of go top down on what's in here. So the top item is this Bliss That's Incredipeel. It is a spa strength glycolic resurfacing pad to smooth and brighten. I actually got a Bliss bag with some different Bliss items in it not too long ago. I did try this out already. It actually came with 5 in the bag. I used 1, so now I still have 5. And these are not my favorite, mostly because I don't want to say super sensitive skin. I don't even really want to say sensitive, but right now during this, like, when it has been winter and going into spring, my skin has been a little bit more sensitive because the winter really dried it out. So I think I just need to save these until my skin is a little more hydrated naturally, because these kind of really burned my skin to like rub on there. You're supposed to rub it on, like the pad is kind of like gritty, and you rub it on to like resurface. It says that feel the expert grade glycolic acid release over time for serious skin renewal and improved texture after just one treatment. You definitely feel it. It like burns for a while. In fact, actually after like an hour, I did go and wash my face because I didn't like the way that it felt. But again, that may be because my skin has been very dry, and I just may need to wait. I'll give these another try and let you guys know what I think. Now this is actually awesome, these Puffy Eye Attack. I have not tried it yet, but I'm excited that it's in here because if you go to Target to buy this, it's like almost $8 by itself just for this. So this makes up for the whole price of the box, and you got other stuff in there. And this is an under eye brightening hydrogel patches from the Mask Force and Soap and Glory, which is a nice brand, not like high end, but a nice Target brand that I really like. A lot of stuff from there. Again, I've been wanting to try this, but I couldn't justify spending almost $8 on eye patches by them, or patches, I guess, by themselves. So when I saw that, that's honestly like immediately what made me go, putting that box in my cart, because the Target beauty box is not a subscription. You do have to go each month and look and see if you want to purchase it, and if you do, you can just do it online through their app, yada yada. So there's also a Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White 48-hour antiperspirant. I will definitely not be using this. Not a big fan of spray-on deodorant, so definitely won't be using this. I have a couple other things that I've gotten recently that I am not going to be using, such as a eyeshadow single from the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. So if anybody is interested in me doing like a giveaway later on after I get some more items in, like definitely let me know down in the comments. Next is a Bedhead from TIGI After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. In case you can't tell, my hair could use all the smoothing it can get. It actually doesn't usually look quite this bad, but I slept on it wet last night, and that is just a no-no on my hair. So I am excited to try this. It is just like a little foil packet, so my hair is pretty fine. I have to be careful. I'll probably get 2 uses out of this. Next, I do have the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I am excited to try this. I have not had a lot of luck finding a dry shampoo that I really enjoyed. So excited to try this. My sister and my grandmother actually really love this. They usually keep this in their bathroom counter. And I say there because my grandmother, my mom, and my sister, apologize guys, allergies, all live in the same house together in Florida. So this is usually in their bathroom. I'm excited to try it. Last but not least, basically get one in every Target beauty box, honestly, is the Crest 3D White Brilliance and Advanced Stain Protection 12-hour stain protection toothpaste. I have gotten a toothpaste in like 3 of the beauty boxes that I've used. My husband and I have several trial toothpaste. In fact, right now we're using like a charcoal one that we just opened that we got in a subscription box, possibly even Target, probably the January box. Then we have 2 more trial size, and I think actually 1 more in one of our boxes somewhere, and then we still have the toothpaste that we've actually bought. We got a 2-pack. We went through the first one because it was already open. Now we're trying to use the trial size before we open another big one. So we are set on toothpaste. And then that is the end of the beauty box. I am pretty excited about most of the stuff in here. Like I said, we did get 2 hair care products. We got toothpaste and deodorant, and then we got 2 kind of facial skin treatment. No makeup in here. Sometimes there's makeup in them, sometimes there's not. I don't think that there was really any makeup in the other beauty box this month either. You know, but again, these are just sort of like curated little boxes for like, Target tries to put them together to, you know, give you new things to try out so that you'll want to buy them. So it's always kind of random. I do really enjoy them. I like getting the just small little trial things, and like I said, the eye patch alone made this box worth it for me because I'd wanted to try it and it was over the price of this box, which was only $7 on Target.com. As of this video goes up, I do believe that they are definitely still available. I think both boxes are still available. And like I said, in the other one, I think there was like a more natural deodorant, more natural like hair care type stuff. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.